methods are available to land managers for herbaceous weed control. Incorrect pesticide application can result in wasted chemical, poor weed control, excessive carryover, and damage to desirable vegetation. There are basically two types of application techniques used in herbicides. First is broadcast method, which can be implemented in two ways, such as boom sprayers and gun sprayers. Next is directed method, which includes spray to wet and low volume applications and drizzle applications. Broadcast applications involve applying a spray solution uniformly over the entire treated area. Kinds of herbicides used are usually selective, such as aminopyrrolate. Broadcast applications are very effective for weed control and are safe on non-target plants. One of the method for implementing broadcast application, that is boom sprayers, typically consist of several spray nozzles mounted in a row. Now let us study in brief about insecticides. It is a substance used to kill insects. They include ovicides and larvicides used against insect eggs and larvae respectively. Now coming to the last type of pesticide, which is fungicide, that is responsible to cause serious damage in agriculture. Fungi can cause serious damage in agriculture, resulting in critical losses of yield, quality, and profit. A fungicide is a specific type of pesticide that controls fungal disease by specifically inhibiting or killing the fungus causing the disease. Not all diseases caused by fungi can be adequately controlled by fungicides. These include the vascular diseases such as Fusarium and Verticulum wilt. Not all diseases caused by fungi can be adequately controlled by fungicides. These include the vascular diseases such as Fusarium and Verticillium wilt. Diseases caused by other types of organisms, disorders caused by abiotic factors, and insect damage are not controlled by fungicides. Thus, it is essential to first determine the cause of symptoms before applying a fungicide. Fungicides are used both in agriculture and to fight fungal infections in animals. Chemicals used to control oomycetes, which are not fungi, are